Good morning, students of 10th standard. We are again back with geography, and today we are going to learn the lesson, fifth lesson, that is called natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation and wildlife. Now, you are aware that we are doing a study, a comparative study between India and Brazil. Okay, observe the images shown in figure 5.1. Okay, flora and fauna of Brazil. You can see cactus, you can see coffee seeds, like coffee seeds, then birds, you can see the animal, leopard, you can see. Okay, and then you can see the anaconda. Of the images shown. Okay, can you tell the names of the plants and trees shown in the image? Where have you seen these plants before? Name the fauna shown in the image. Where have you seen them before? You might have recognized the species shown above and discussed about them because there is similarity between them and many Indian species. But these species are found in Brazil. Look for their names. Now we will study about the variety of flora found in Brazil. Okay. In figure 5.2, okay, figure 5.2, which is there down. Okay. Rainfall, flora and fauna of Brazil has been shown in the cross profile along with physiography. The change occurring in the above elements while going from north to south is clearly seen here. Discuss about this in the class and write a note about it. Brazil vegetation. Okay, you can see Guiana Highland, Amazon Basin, Parana Basin, Brazil Highlands. Reptiles and grassland animals, various types of apes, reptiles, arboreal and aquatic. Arboreal means flying in the air. Aquatic means in the water. Reptiles means which move on the land. Reptiles, and then apes. Apes means monkeys. In Brazil vegetation. In Brazil, rainfall varies due to physiography. In most parts of the equatorial region, it rains throughout the year. As one moves away from the equator, the number of rainy days as well as amount of rainfall reduces. This affects the life cycle of the vegetation too. Evergreen forests are found in the area where it rains throughout the year. In regions which receive rainfall only during certain seasons, the density of the vegetation reduces instead of forest. Various types of grasses, short shrubs, thorny vegetation, etc. are found. Brazil has the largest number of vegetation species in the world. This includes evergreen vegetation, semi-evergreen, arid, etc. One finds trees like pau Brazil, rubber, mahogany, rosewood, and a variety of orchids. Because of the evergreen rainforest in Brazil, there is a large amount of oxygen that is released in the environment. This helps to reduce carbon dioxide levels. Therefore, these rainforests are rightly called the lungs of the world because lungs require oxygen. There is a lot of oxygen over here, less of carbon dioxide. So, it is called lungs of the world. India vegetation. We saw Brazil vegetation, now Indian vegetation. Answer the following questions on the basis of figure 5.3. Okay. Which forests are found in western snow capped region? Okay. On which coast do you mainly find the coastal vegetation? Which type of forest occupy maximum area of India? Why? Where do you find thorny and shrub vegetation found and why? Following types of forests are found in India in regions which receive more than 2000 mm of rainfall on an average along with abundant sunlight. Evergreen forests are found. The leaves of the trees in this forest are broad and green. The trees have hardwood, heavy and durable. Example, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, etc. Also, there are various types of creepers found here. Highest biodiversity is found in this forest. In regions receiving mainly rainfall between 1000 mm to 2000 mm in India. Deciduous forests are found. In dry season, trees shed their leaves so that water is not lost due to evaporation. For example, teak, bamboo, banyan, people, etc. are the trees found in this forest. Regions that receive less than 500 millimeter of rainfall and experience dry summers for a long period in India. Thorny and shrub type vegetation is found. The leaves are small in size, for example, catechu, acacia, kejri, and varieties of cactus like aloe vera and agave. In swampy areas, estuaries, and lagoons near coastal areas having saline soils and moist climate, coastal type of vegetation is found. They are called mangroves or sundarbans in India. The wood of these trees is oily, light, and durable. In India, Himalayas, three types of forests are found according to the altitude. In areas located at the highest altitude, seasonally flowering trees are found. In regions with medium altitude, coniferous trees like pine, deodar, fir, and at foothills, mixed forests are found. This includes both coniferous and deciduous types of forests. Here, the proportion of salt trees is higher. We saw about the vegetation. Now we come to the wildlife. On the basis of figure 5.4, answer the following questions. Or shall we? Okay. Until part is remaining, we shall finish it. Name the species shown on the map: condor, anaconda, golden lion, tamarin, macaw, etc. In which regions are these animals found? Why are their habitats found in these forests? Classify the forest regions with reference to their extent. Look at this and find out. Geographical explanation. A greater diversity in wildlife is found in Brazil than any other country in the world. In the swampy areas of the Pantanal, huge anacondas are found. In Brazil, guinea pigs, crocodiles, alligators, monkeys, pumas, leopards, etc. are found. Among the fish varieties, mainly swordfish are found in the seas, while pink dolphins and piranhas are found in the rivers. Condors, which are huge in size and fly high in the sky. Various types of parrots, macaws, and flamingos are the major birds found here. Millions of insects varieties are also found here. As a result of these varieties, the wildlife of Brazil is very rich and diverse. Degradation of environment is happening due to illegal smuggling of wild animals, slash and burn, agricultural, roca, deforestation, pollution, etc. Brazil is facing these problems today. Many endemic species are on the verge of getting extinct because of these issues. Okay, wildlife. Indian wildlife. Show the following animals in outline map of India in figure 5.5 with the help of signs and symbols according to their habitat. Answer the following questions. You have to draw and show that. Okay, Bengal tiger, great Indian bustard, olive red turtles, one horned rhinos, Nilgiri Thar goat, lion, gigantic dolphin, swamp deer, crocodiles, gharials, that is alligators. Correlate geographical conditions and the flora and fauna here. Do you know some other animals too? Show the habitats of tigers in India with their names on the map. Why is their habitat found in these regions? India is also a mega diverse country in terms of wildlife. There are many species of wildlife in India. Elephants are found in hot and humid forests. One-horned rhinoceros are found in swampy and marshy lands of Assam. Wild ass and camels are found in arid lands. Snow leopards and yaks are found in the snow-capped regions of Himalayas. Indian bisons, deer, antelopes, and monkeys are found in the peninsular region. India is the only country in the world where both tigers and lions are found. Rivers, estuaries, and coastal areas are homes of many turtles, crocodiles, and gavials, that is gharial. The forests are wetlands. The forests and wetlands are the shelters of variety of birds like peacocks, Indian bustard, kingfishers, peasants, pigeons, ducks, parakeets, cranes, and pigeons. All these species make it a land of unique habitat of wildlife. Many species of wildlife are on the verge of extinction from India because of poaching, pollution, and rapidly occurring deforestation. Example: cheetahs. The government of India has set up number of national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves for the protection of wildlife and forests in India. Okay, this is what you are supposed to complete this homework. Please do that. Next lesson we shall learn in the next part.